Good day everyone, we are Team Wildrift and today we are presenting our design review and kick-off for our project titled TUON, a Macboard exam automated evaluation and performance monitoring system. TUON is designed to address the inefficiencies and time consumption involved in manual checking of multiple choice examinations at the VSU Review Center. Our goal is to develop a reliable, automated, and scalable system that improves grading accuracy while also providing meaningful performance analytics for instructors and students. We will now walk through our agenda, project overview, and development roadmap.
Our internal code name is Wildrift. It is a web-based system that designed to automate the evaluation and monitoring of Macboard examinations. The system focuses on 5 core features. First, exam paper scanning, which allows instructors to upload and scan answer sheets and automatically detect marked responses using image processing. Second, result processing, which computes score instantly and organizes them into structured records. Third, exam analytics, which provides visual insights into students' performance, including trends, averages, and comparative results. In addition, the system includes feedback management, allowing instructors to provide structured feedback to students based on their performance. Lastly, the notification alert feature ensures that students receive updates regarding their exam results, announcements, or feedback in real time. The mock-ups shown here represent the scanning module, result interface, and analytics dashboard. All design specifications and complete documentation are available at our GitHub repository. All design information about the project is provided in the link.
Our development roadmap consists of 3 major active phases. The planning phase ran from October to January. During this period, we gathered requirements, defined system scope, prepared documentation, and structured project plan. The design phase followed from January to February, where we finalized system architecture, UI wireframes, and database schema. Currently, we are in the implementation phase, which started in February and will continue up until May. Our focus is improving OMR or optical mark recognition, detection accuracy, back-end integration, and analytics dashboard development. After implementation, we will proceed with testing, optimization, and final deployment preparation.